Are you finally ready to launch that website, blog, or online store, but don't know where to start? I've got you covered. Because today, I'm showing you exactly why Bluehost is one of the best web hosting platforms out there, and why it's the perfect place to start if you want to get online fast, easy, and affordably. Bluehost is officially recommended by WordPress, which powers over 40% of all websites. And that's no accident. Bluehost gives you everything you need to launch a professional website, even if you're a complete beginner. A free domain name for your first year. Free SSL certificate for security. 24/7 customer support. One-click WordPress install. Plus, super fast performance and rock-solid reliability. All starting at just a few dollars a month. Here are 3 reasons why we personally recommend Bluehost. 1. It's beginner-friendly. Their setup is super simple, no tech headaches. 2. It's affordable. You get enterprise-quality hosting without breaking the bank. 3. It grows with you. Whether you're running a blog, a business, or a full online store, Bluehost can scale with your vision. Setting up a site with Bluehost is as easy as choosing a name, picking a template, and clicking publish. You'll be live in minutes. Now listen, don't waste time waiting for the perfect moment. If you want to build a brand, make money online, or just finally start that passion project, you need a reliable foundation, and Bluehost is where it starts. So here's what I want you to do. Click the link in the description right now to lock in special pricing on Bluehost's hosting plans. Start your website today. Start building your future. With Bluehost, you've got this. Don't wait. Click now and claim your Bluehost discount.